Oh boy, we got a special one for you guys today.
Yeah, been getting a lot of requests for this machine here that we've never shown. Lots of people have been asking for this machine we've never shown.
Everybody wants to know exactly, you know, is a case, 1989 case 245 faster than an ATC 70?
We figured out of all the we have,
Yep.
This is probably the closest comparison.
I got smaller wheels in the back and they're loaded. So,
yep,
you know,
with windshield washer fluid?
Yeah, yeah.
How big are these tires? What are these things?
Those are 33 inches tall.
Really?
They should have
no, they're way bigger than that.
Oh, 33 inches tall? Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I bet.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, 33s.
33s.
All right.
Yeah.
4-speed.
4-speed.
Mitsu, what is it? Mitsu 4-cylinder diesel or is it 3?
Mitsu 3-cylinder. Yeah.
How much power does that make, bud?
25 horsepower.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that thing make?
With the 88 kit?
Yeah.
I don't even know. What does the 70 make? Like, I think with the 88 kit, it makes like 6 or 7 horsepower.
Oh, that's garbage. You're horsepower. You're done.
Yeah, you're done. Yeah, well, yeah. I think we're about 76 and a half times the weight, though. All right, so take your guess. What's faster? What do you think the case is going to do?
I'm going to say 22.
Kilometers an hour or miles?
Miles.
We got to do it in miles, yeah?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah, he's getting all the distance he can. I would too if I was trying to run a clean ATC 70. Here we go. Oh, I guess I got to get the gun out, eh? What is that? I guess you can't see. 17 mile an hour. There it is. 17. What do you think, bud?
Well, we didn't have much of a shutdown area, so I couldn't get it up.
Yeah, we got to watch out with the 25 horse. You need a big broom there.
Yeah, like we only rented out like over at this road.
Yeah. Well, time for the 70.
A lot of things going on. You know, I got a sore back, my neck hurts.
Yeah, sore back.
That's not bad. That's about half my speed.
17, not bad.
Double that. That's about top speed. For this
You know how it is, eh?
Yeah, so basically,
we're trying to be safe, right?
All right, so it's Jamie going by on the ATC 70 here. You know, like I said, guys, it's the weather. You know, it's pretty warm out, so it's not optimal drag racing weather, and didn't have much of a shutdown, so I didn't really want to open her up too much. Plus I didn't pack my parachute, so you know, there's that too. Just trying to play it safe out here, like Jamie said. And oh, here he comes. Oh, nope, he's getting ready. Cars are just buddy there inspecting his road, making sure that you know, we're not damaging his road that we rented. Right on. Okay. Oh my god, another inspector. This is just NHRA. He's coming by, making sure that the drag strip's all ready to go. Oof! Well, you know, we just a say beat it there. Not bad, not bad. So, obviously you beat the tractor, but
yep.
I think this thing gets worse every time we run it.
There wasn't enough room. I just clicked for it. I was going to say 25.
22. You're just a safe beat it. Think of that. You're just marginally faster than a tractor.
Well, we're clicking 31.
Yeah. Oh, he's putting his hat on backwards. Here we go. Serious business. He ain't getting shit on me. Okay, he might be getting a bit of shit on me here. Yeah, we're clicking 30 for sure. Yeah. You guys seeing that? I can barely see it. Yeah, we're clicking 30 for sure.
27.
Way to click 30, man. Oh, unreal. Very nice. So that's, like I said, you guys were wondering, you know, stop blowing up our inbox asking this question because we're getting pretty sick of hearing it. But yeah, ATC 70, faster than a Case 245.
In case you were wondering.
In case you're wondering. Oh, that's an 89 as well. I guess I don't know if I said the year, but you know.
That one's an 84.
84. Jeez. Yeah. 84. Very nice. Well, it was nice there, so you it up pretty good.
Oh, hey, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't focus on that. Leave that shit out. Yo, cut this.
Yo,
cut this.
Yo, cut it.
Cut the scene.
Yo,
Cut the scene. It's
scene.
bad.
All right. Peace.
Hey! Subscribe to the channel.